Today, I'm going to tell you one another important alternative measure to treat urinary tract infection. Even with a faster results in which you can get cure from this condition and results in which we can prevent these things to occur in the future. So what do you want? You want just an antibiotic or you want a permanent solution? Choice is yours. So choose it wisely. Hey there, welcome back to our channel on Time Talks with Dr. Anjali. Today, we are diving into a topic which affects millions of people worldwide, the urinary tract infection, or you can say UTI. और हिंदी में कहें तो पेशाब की जगह पे इन्फेक्शन होना. अगेन ये वीडियो थ्रू एंड थ्रू इंग्लिश में है. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि इसी इन्फॉर्मेशन को हम हिंदी में प्रेजेंट करें, सो डू कमेंट सो दैट आपको ये सेम इन्फॉर्मेशन हम हिंदी में प्रोवाइड कर पाए और आप अच्छी तरह से इसे समझ पाए कि किस तरह से ये बीमारी होती है और होम्योपैथी के अंदर इसका क्या इलाज है. तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं और समझते हैं यूरिनरी ट्रैक्ट इन्फेक्शन को. They are more common than you might ever think, and understanding them is the first step to prevention and treatment. Let's get started. A UTI is an infection in any part of your urinary system. It can be your kidney, ureter, bladder, or urethra. Most infection involves the lower urinary tract, that is, the bladder and the urethra. Women are at a greater risk due to their anatomy, but men are also aren't immune. It just women are more prone to have this infection than men. So all my female friends, stay till the end and understand how this UTI happens, and if it is happening recurrent, then what you can do. So now we are going to discuss what are the causes due to which a person gets urinary tract infection. The primary culprit is bacteria, especially E. coli, which normally lives in the intestine. These bacteria enters the urinary tract through urethra and multiply in the bladder. Also, there are some other factors which increases the risk of urinary tract infection or UTI. Now let's see those factors. First is the female anatomy. Why we are saying this again and again? Because in female, the urethra is shorter, due to which bacteria have shorter distance to travel and cause infection. Second reason can be the sexual activity. The sexual activity can introduce bacteria into the urinary tract. Third reason can be certain birth control measures that can be using diaphragm and spermicidal agent can increase the risk of having urinary tract infection. Fourth reason can be the menopause. Due to hormonal changes which alters the urinary tract, making infection more likely to happen. Fifth can be a person having any urinary tract abnormality. Blockage like kidney stone can trap the urine and bacteria, due to which a person can have the urinary tract infection associated with renal stone. Last but not the least, the suppressed immune system. This can occur in a condition like person having diabetes can impair the body's defense mechanism against the bacteria, due to which body is easily prone to have any kind of infection, including urinary tract infection. Now let's move on toward the thing, how this whole process occurs. What is the pathogenesis which can lead to this kind of state? It starts when bacteria from the gut colonize the periurethral area. They then ascends the urethra to the bladder, adhering to the bladder wall using structure like villi and fimbriae. If not cleared by immune system, they multiply, leading to infection. In severe cases, infection can ascend to the kidney and causes pyelonephritis. Now, this is all about how this urinary tract infection occurs in our body. Now, let's move on toward the symptom so that you can understand that this itching is not just a simple itch but can be this urinary tract infection, and you have to consult a doctor for that. So here are few of the symptoms which you are going to experience when you have urinary tract infection. A strong persistent urge to urinate, burning sensation during urination, passing frequent and small amount of urine, cloudy or strong smelling urine, pelvic pain in women and rectal pain in men. If you are experiencing these symptoms, then my dear patient, you have to consult a doctor rather than taking over the counter medication. दुकान में जाके कोई इचिंग की रैंडम ट्यूब लेने से अच्छा है just consult a doctor so that this thing can be eradicated from its root. Now, before moving toward how can we treat this condition, let's discuss what are the preventive measures we can take so that we can avoid this. We just need simple lifestyle changes. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of fluid to flush the bacteria. Urinate regularly and after intercourse to expel bacteria. Wipe from front to back to prevent bacterial spread. Avoid using irritating feminine products. These are few simple preventive measures that you can take and prevent this urinary tract infection. But if you forget to do this and you are ending up to the urinary tract infection, it is usually typically treated with antibiotics. But today I am going to tell you one another important alternative measure to treat urinary tract infection, even with the faster results in which you can get cure from this condition and results in which we can prevent these things to occur in the future. So what do you want? You want just an antibiotic or you want a permanent solution? Choice is yours. So choose it wisely. So here it is. How homeopathy will help you in this condition. If the condition is chronic, then definitely it will take a little more time than in the acute. In chronic cases, it may take up to 6 months, but trust me, this will cure the condition for the lifetime. In maximum cases, we get the result. In very few cases, patient encounter recurrent infection. But again, that can also be handled with homeopathy. So it is a better choice to have a homeopathic medicine than any other medication. So that's it for today. I hope you like this informative video. Share this information to maximum people so that people across the world can know that how homeopathy can also cure the urinary tract infection. So like, share and subscribe our channel for more such informative videos. You are listening to Dr. Anjali Deep Singh Rajput from Shubh Homeopathy. Thank you.